Welcome, people of YouTube. Guy Gash here again today in my van. So, mentioned in my previous video, the one where I got scammed of £4,000. Yes, that actually did happen. Yes, I did document it. This is true to fact. I've looked in my bank account today. I've got the money back. Woohoo! So that's great news. So, on with today's video. Don't waste your life. What do I mean by this? So, I experienced this in loads of different places in life. Going into shops, you know, everybody has their down days, everybody has their up days, but I see people who sometimes are doing a job that they're not very passionate about. So that's my first point. Do something that you find passion in, that you really care about, that you enjoy, you know, something that you wake up every day and you look forward to getting there. Don't do a job just for the financial benefit, you know. Is this job that you're doing going to matter to you in 25 years' time? Are you making a difference to yourself? Are you making a difference to the world, your surroundings? You know, me, I'm in the building trade. I love building. I love having tools in my hands and the touch of it and the rawness of it, you know, the physical work. Love it, thrive off it, love being outdoors. So that's perfect for me. You find something that you're passionate about. So my first point, I've got them written down on my phone just to help me out a little bit. Don't waste your life. Fill it with enjoyment. So every single day, are you enjoying your life? Are you enjoying every day of your life? You know, it can be taken away from you just like that. So to waste your life is to not be enjoying it. Is to find sadness. Is to breed negativity and spread it and, you know, not feel very good about yourself or be enjoying it. You know, express gratitude every day. That's what I found helped me through my difficult period this last month, is finding the things I'm grateful for. Being alive is the biggest one, but, you know, just the little things, you know, my pet at home, Hector, my partner, you know, family around me, how supportive my family has been throughout this month of this really difficult time period that I've never ever experienced before. You know, being scammed of £4,000. It's crazy. You never think that money that you've saved up for this whole time can just go like that. And I'll be honest with you, it sent my head, mashed my head proper bad. Like, days I've just been thinking, am I even here today? You know, I'm just a shell of just walking around. You know, I'm not feeling there. I'm not here. Woo! Going, vibing. And now I'm back. Not 'cause the money's back, but because I've realised that throughout this time period, it's learnt me the biggest lessons in life, not to get too attached to money, not to do things for money, find enjoyment without money. Anyways, we're getting sidetracked. Every single day you need to smile. Find a smile on your face. Don't waste your life without smiling every day. You know what I'm saying? It's easy. 2 muscles. Or it might be even more. I think it's 17 muscles, actually. I read that on in a restaurant one time. 17 muscles to smile, 43 to frown, I think it is. Smiling. Be happy. Every single day, wake up and smile. Even if you don't feel like it, just do it. And get back to me, because I bet you'll feel better about your day. Be happy. Happiness is spurred from with us. We can make this enjoyment. We can make this happiness. We can find fun. Take things less serious. We can do it, but we just allow our environment to encapsulate us and a series of events in our lives to knock us down. And I'm a sucker for this as well. Don't think I'm speaking from a perfect place, because I have been fully knocked off my pedestal, off my happy place over this time period, but I've managed to just maintain and hold on by a thread. And look what happened. I devoted myself to the process. I've got the money back. We're on top form. Our energy's back. Our smile's back. And yeah, man. Try positive affirmations. So every single day, try, I will be happy today. You know, I will make the most of today. You know, I can do this. If you've got a task in front of you, I can achieve this. Telling yourself these things is talking to yourself and spurring yourself on, which ties into my next point. Look for inspiration. So through this time period, looking at different YouTubers or, you know, internet inspirations or TV people who have been through similar situations or are just life inspirationalists. Look at them, watch them. You know, they'll make you feel better about stuff. They'll make you open up doorways in your mind that you never knew were there. You know, watching people like Infinite Waters, Ralph Smart, he's helped me through a lot of stuff. Sadhguru, I know he's from the East, but he's very good. Learning about detachment away from physical existence and beyond. Anyways, go do it for yourself. Go find who inspires you. Anybody in your field who's doing better than you or is doing what you class as being more successful, look at them, learn from them, take on their attributes. You know, it's all there. Turn to loved ones, and I experienced this through the past month. Easy. Turning to loved ones and looking for support off loved ones and how much support I have. You know, everybody's been there for me, everybody's helped out, and I can't thank them enough. You know, people have given me money, lent me money, and now I'm paying them all back. I'm giving it them all back because of how much they were just willing to give me something and help me out. Form strong bonds and relationships. Now, this is human nature, you know, and I've experienced this with working on a new site. Obviously, look at me. I don't gel in well with groups usually and associate with like your regular people. You know, these people I'm working on site with are lovely lads, you know, who on face value I wouldn't usually associate with. Get to know them, boom. You know, there's common ground there, there's a laugh there, there's a humour there, and everybody's on the same page, and everybody's, you know, everyone's vibing, everyone's good. You know, form strong bonds. It's human nature. Get socialising. Get out there and get seeing different people from different cultures and different backgrounds of life. Do something you're passionate about, and I touched upon that earlier. Do something you're passionate about, and that can be like me making these YouTube videos. I'm passionate about this. You can tell from the word go that my heart's in this and I'm enjoying this. You know, find what your heart's in. Find what you enjoy. Go do that. Go make something of it. You know, you're granted anything you can accept. If you can accept big, you will get big. You know, we limit ourselves to an average. Try new things. Trying new things, man. Especially with my diet, you know, I'm fluctuating now. And I do have some stuff with a bit of traces of milk in and stuff like that because I'm opening up. I'm not just restricting myself to certain things and restricting myself to a certain way of life. I'm trying to be more open and experience things. That's what life's all about, isn't it? You know, don't complain. Try not to complain, especially being to Morocco. You know, I've found very little to complain about. Even losing that £4,000. Yes, I've had my moments of down, but in terms of other people's lives, you know, how can I complain when you've got people who are absolutely nothing, you know? Don't gossip or get caught in negative talk about yourself or others. Now, this is my last point. Don't waste your life by tearing down the person who you class above you in the hierarchy, the more successful person. Don't tear anybody down. Don't gossip about other people, because all you're doing is you're poisoning your own system. You're making yourself feel worse. It might temporarily make you feel better by gossiping or talking negative about somebody else, but in turn it'll just make yourself feel worse, because, you know, it's not good for anyone. That person who you gossip about, that person who you bitch about or tear down, try today, whoever you usually talk with, say something nice about them. Find something nice that you can say about them. Physical appearance, a good attribute they have, because everybody's got good parts and bad parts. But if you're only choosing the bad parts, why are you doing that? Because you're causing misery to yourself, you're causing negativity to yourself, and you're not doing yourself any favours. You're wasting your life. Peace and love to anybody watching this. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'm back on form. I'm back in the zone. Please keep in tune for my content. Subscribe for more. I love you guys who watch. Anybody sat there who's watched to the end of this video, know that you've done a very special thing for me by staying tuned and listening to what I've got to say. Take it easy, man.